It's your boy here, I'm Jukes, as you know. I'm now coming in a full force. And I know most of you are wondering why I'm not posting a video every day. The reason is that I was at school. Now I have closed the school. Now you'll see my videos uploading every day until January before we open the school. Something that I will tell you from now, videos will be posting every day, guys. And here I'm at that's a beehive. This is the house that contains beehives inside. There is a lot of beehives that are arranged. And there are some timbers that have meant, and the beehives are set to stay on top of that house. There's some bees that are returning around. There's a lot of honey inside there. Yes, guys. And there's a one beehive that is hung on top, and that's hung in a back of a tree. But I don't know if it's have some bees inside. Let me go and see if there is some bee inside. This is a beehive now, guys. As you can see, this is a beehive that has put on the back of a tree, but I'm wondering there is no even a single bee inside there. But some days the bees will be coming inside. This is how it's looking like. You put inside that thing that bees store honey inside. You put here to attract other bees inside this bottle. Yes, you attract other bees to come inside there. But let me show an example. Let me show an example of a beehive that's colored in zambarau. Don't know how we call it in English. Let me show you. We have bees, and it's purple. Let me show you bees. Imagine that bees in our village here, nyabohanse. There is a person called Willie. He's the one who harvesting bees in our village. It has those two houses that you are seeing there. It's for Willie. It contains many beehives inside, and he's harvesting. I don't know after 4 months, but when the maize are growing, it's growing with the season of maize. When maize getting to remove those things for pollination, you know that season bee are coming to be are now be to harvest, are ready to harvest. Let me show you the beehive that looks purple. And this is the house now for beehive. Now look. This is now the beehive. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, there is some bees. This is a project for that guy called Willie. He's earning a lot of money from here. You know, as you know, many of us we like honey. Now he decided to start this project of keeping bees. Now, from the starting of this beehive, he was putting the beehives on trees. Now he earned the money. Now he has built this house to keep to keep the bees inside. As you can see, there's some bees there. I don't know if you can see those. They're rustling around. I get inside. There are a lot of bees inside there. And this is the now purple beehive that are stored here. have some honey inside. This is the place look like this. It's dangerous if you come with you have spread your perfume and you come to stay here. You can bite a lot of bees can bite you until you die because they don't need those perfumes. I don't know why, but it's gory. Let's proceed with this video. These are at a forest. These are cool forests that have some stones to stay. If you are getting tired, you come inside there, to this forest, you stay for a minute with the music. Your friends come here, and it looks so beautiful, as you can see, guys. In our village in nyabohanse, guys, there is some activity that are carried on. Many activities. There is a project of keeping beehives, keeping livestock, planting, farming, like planting maize, bananas, yams. Even now, the place that we are going, I'm going to show you, there is a lot of yams. I wish you guys you travel one day to Africa, to a village called nyabohanse. I will give you some more yams to eat. They are so sweet than sweet potatoes, guys. I hope one day you come to visit me and I will show you those yams. But for now, let me show you the example. So we don't use to write it with the water, and we have a pen. Let me show you the yams. There are a lot of yams inside down there, and these yams, they like the place that has a lot of water, so it can be grown in a good size. Let's proceed to the farm there.
Haina noma.
Let's start from here.
Dakika 8. Aye.
Yes, guys, we have reached to the place that I was telling you. Up here, there is some maize, and there is a boundary for this maize. You know, in this our village, people have a large farm that they cultivate. You will find a person have like 1 hectare of a shamba planting by one person. Now this in our village, the plots, the lands are not expensive. Now that's why we have a lot of land. Let me show you the yams. These yams have not been uprooting the weeds, but let me show you the healthy ones. Let's go. These are young that have planted, like it has not take long, but they are not coming to the natural environment. This is now the yams. Guys, look from there. That's a lot of yams. From up there, you come all over this. There, up to there, up end there. Those are yams. Imagine, guys. And they cost. They have money. If you harvest those yams, they earn a lot of money, guys. And that's why I was telling you that they need a place that have water, so they can grow well. And here we are at the river. Let me show you some stream of water that run inside those yams. You must make some holes so water to avoid the stagnant of water inside the yams. I want to show you. These are waters. These are water now. This willy has make a hole. These are he make a line of to direct water to run down there, and this is how it grow. It look like a bush, guys. See, it look amazing from up there. As you can see, those are yams. There, those are yams. You come. Let's go. Let's go. Where can pass? We pass inside there. This is now how yams they look. They had. I wish you come. I gave you like, yeah, I cook for you these yams and you eat. Guys, it's so tasty and it's so sweet than potatoes. It's some flour inside that have taste inside their mouth, and they take 6 months to mature. Then you harvest it to go and sell. And they, as I have told you, it's have value. Let's proceed. Up to here. Now the boundary of this, you know, there we have some boundaries inside these yams. Like here, the water is passing from up there, and the other one is coming from up there. Now they are meeting in this point. Then they flow downward up to that point, to avoid the stagnant of water inside these yams. As you can see, they are so healthy, guys. They look healthy. And now I'm you know, you are wondering why they have some broken leaves. There is a rain have a stone. Those stained rain stone. It's do like this. Has spotted the leaves inside and make it ugly. But this does not matter. This is the strong and it's healthy. Let's proceed to that point. And this place before we cultivate, it have some grass, a lot of grass inside. It have a lot of grass, but there's a proverb that say hard work pays, and we hardly cultivate this place, burning some grasses to make it good. And now we are enjoying the yields that we get from these yams. We were struggling to cultivate, but for now we are enjoying. I will come tomorrow to dig here, because there is some weeds that has started growing inside this. tomorrow this is the work that I am supposed to do, because I have dig from there. Now here I'm continuing to dig to remove those weeds to make the yams to be good. Make sure, guys, you come to Africa one day. Whenever you are watching a video, even if you are coming from nyabohanse area to my village, or you are coming from USA, Nigeria, I don't know wherever you are watching the video, make sure you leave a comment down there to tell me how can you get these yams. I will tell you everything, guys. Down the comment section, you give me some advice to improve this farming of yams to this my village. And the place that Mara, the home of Mara, that's another place that have a good place that contain fertile soil that these yams need. To the Marwas, there is a place that has fertile soil to grow these yams. That's another place. Good. As you know, I was telling you, this is now the stagnant water. They need to remove the soil that has stagnant, make this water to stay here, and remove it so it can be passed easily down there, guys. And those are some holes that I made to pass water to avoid stagnant. We're coming to this end. From that end that we have come from there, now we have get to this end. These are a lot of cassava. Sorry guys, these are a lot of yams. Up there, they are only yams. We go up there, yams. This river contains a lot of yams only. This is the place that yams do well than maize. But there is some guys who planted maize. They are well grown there. They are there from there. But if you see, there is a lot of yams than maize, because yams are doing well. Maize, they cannot do well in water. Like this is dry up because a lot of water. Now that's why we planted these yams. Guys, let me pass here. If you are not keen, these yams can make you to fall down because it's grown closely. You can go down, guys. On the other hand, that has not have water, they plant maize, but they are in the same land that you have boundary. This road that you see passing here is a boundary. This is another place, and this is another place. Now the water that comes from the cassavas inside, it come collect meat at some point inside there. They come down up to here, and this is the place now cows are coming to drink water. Now this is the place. Like some minutes there is a cow who was here drinking water. Those are water coming from inside there and going downward to River Migori in Migori there. Now it's looking very good, guys. got to the end, and that's the place that we have. You see, I have not dig it. Is because of this is they are absorbing a lot of water. As you can see, this place and that they are on the same land, but this has health yams, but there is no good health yams because of water that are absorbing from that trees. Now I leave it them alone. I'll see even I can when I dig, there is no product that I will get from there. Something that I will tell you guys is that to reach at a high point, I need your support so that I can be at a better place. For now this is the start. I've come from school, and in fact we have crossed it today. Now I decided to take a video to show you the yams that are here in Africa. Something that I will like, please guys, subscribe to my videos, like, and leave a sweet comment. If you want to know more about these yams, you can comment down there, and I will show you more things. Please guys, help me to reload up to 1000 subscribers. I need your support, guys, to be in a good position. Thank you guys.